Hello! Okay, so today we're going to use this super cool, awesome, mega black ink brush pen thing. And, wait. What? Why isn't it? I don't... Oh, maybe because it's, there's no more ink. So we'll just unscrew the back here and... Oh yeah, definitely. No ink to be found here. Haha. Let's just get a new one. Okay, problem solved. Easy as pie. Wait, why is it so difficult? This doesn't seem quite right. No, wait. Hold on, let me just... Why isn't it... Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. There we go. Ta-da! I got it. Now we just screw the back on, and we can start drawing. There we go. Oh, yes. Alright. Okay, so for this drawing, I wanted to do a little bit something different, a bit more abstract. Something out of this world. Yeah, I really like this brush pen because you can vary the types of lines you make. So you can make thick or small lines, thick, thin, whatever. And you can vary, what's it called? The brush stroke, like it starts off thin, then gets thicker, and then thin again. So it's very versatile. So here I'm making some more lines on various areas, trying to cover as much of the page I can with whatever comes into my mind. When I draw, I try to just keep it natural, try not to think too much about the drawing beforehand. It's more going with the flow, But anyways, yeah, with these abstract drawings, you tend to sometimes lose focus of what you're actually drawing, so you end up making up your own thing along the way. So, in this picture, what do you see? Somewhere I see a flying Pegasus man on a horse. Another spot, I see flying motorcycles. I see a bunny rabbit somewhere in there. Oh, I see a jet plane. A whole bunch of stuff. The good thing about abstract art is that there's way more than one perspective to take. Like, what might look to me as I don't know what that looks like. Might look like something different to you, So it's very open. But anyway, I think this is good. I like the way it turned out. So what do you see? Let me know. Okay, bye. Oh, it didn't stop recording.